Hey, it's Sammy. On March 13th, we took 7 trades today in the Dow futures. Beginning of the day was a little bit shaky. We had to wait around a little longer for that data to really kick in. We made 308 points. Let's take a look and see how everything played out. You can see we're coming through an area that we've identified as a 1-hour buy zone. We only have short time frame data here, so the trade's probably not going to move very far. We're going to move the stop loss to break even and protect it, and ultimately we're going to end up locking in 29 points. If you look to the left, we missed the open. Just talking, got a little distracted here. Amanda and I were looking at this data, but market came back up, consolidated. The buy zone for the hour chart failed. You can see we're coming back through the open right here, coming down towards this value area low in this deviation 1. Let's move that stop loss to break even to protect the trade since we're kind of still at that open point. We're going to lock in 44 points right here. You can see right where we locked in over to the left, the market aggressively pulled back, but more data came into play and we're going to re-enter this trade. Really choppy price action, so we're going to move that stop loss very aggressively to protect this trade, so it's going to go to a break-even status very quickly. Notice how we're picking up a ton of momentum. Our sentiment is finally starting to tilt in our direction, so we're going to see if we can make it down to deviation 2. Price is stalling. We're going to lock in 54 points. The market bottomed out and started throwing our signature soda reversal process, but you can tell we're trading in a very heavy volume area, still trying to pop through that 1-hour buy zone from earlier. Let's get that trade protected ASAP, make it a break even if anything happens. You can see we got a couple of really nice time frames of data here, though it's very short time frame data. So when the market moves very aggressive like this with only short time frame data, we lock in those profits ASAP. We're going to lock in 63 points right as we get up by this orange line right here. You can see we worked that orange line. We were working that value area high. We're coming down through the open now. So we went up to create liquidity in the market. Now our data is flipped back over on the short time frames and we're heading back down to short. Absolutely loving our new sell algorithm. You can see those sell flags. They're really accurate when we confirm them with data. So as we struggle here at deviation 1 in the value area low, we're going to go ahead and lock in 47 points. We got in right when that sell algorithm flag fired. This is a burner. We're starting to pick up a lot of multiple time frames of data, as you can see. We got a really tight stop loss here. We're going to move it to a break even. And as price is struggling right around deviation 2 down here and this gold line or this orange line, it's one of our GAN levels. These automatically paint on all our charts. All the tools we use are automated, so you can really leverage your take profits and your trade management really easy. We locked in 28 points on this trade. If you look over to the left, that was the trade we were just in. The market pulled right back up and out of there. These levels we use are so incredibly powerful. That's why we lock consistent profits. The market pulled way back and now it's coming back through. So now we're going to go short again and see if we can't hit that overnight low. You can see that sell algorithm kicked in right there. We have tons. We've got 6 time frames of momentum, sentiment, and a volatility break. And this just breaks down so fast and smashes through our 43 point take profit.